No. So now come on the page number 145. It's about the post office. Post office, you know, which is the place where post office. What you do there on in the post office?
When we post the card. When we post the card.
We post the card to someone else.
Only to the neighbors, family members.
Family members. Ma'am, to
Yes.
everyone. Like
Mute yourself, Aradhya. My voice is
Ma'am,
deep.
we
Okay. Sit down. The students are telling me that post office is a place where if you want to send a letter to the person who is living far, or we want to post them a letter and give them the writing letter someone, we have to post it through the post office. Nowadays, post office are not being used so much, but earlier days we were using post office a lot. Okay. Yes, Pritika, you want to ask something?
yes, ma'am. The CET you are taking on Monday or Tuesday.
I will
It
put
is
in
of
the classroom.
no. It is of how heavy and how light.
Yeah, it is of how heavy and how light. CET means chapter ending test, and chapter is that only which we are going to complete. Okay. Huh.
Ma'am, but we haven't done page number 43 and 44.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, what is the page number? 145.
Yes, Moksha, you were telling me something. Moksha,
Ma'am, we haven't done page number 143 and 144.
that we will do it.
Okay.
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 So the post office, nowadays post office is also used for transferring money also from one person to another person. If you want to transfer money, post office also open some like some accounts you open, no, fixed deposit accounts or some salary accounts, some that this type of accounts or the bank lockers you can do in the post office also nowadays. Okay, this is happening in post office also. Rishik Bajaj, you are late in the class. And in post office, we see the post box. What is the color of the post box?
Red.
Ma'am,
Red
red
and black.
color and red.
What we do in that post box?
Ma'am,
We
we
put the
When
post
we put our
letters
card in that box.
We put our cards, letters in that. After putting in that, what is the next job? What is the next one?
Now, when one man come
First,
and take
online
the
child will
card.
speak, then offline child will speak. And raise your hand, I will call the name of that child. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, one man comes and take the all letters to the post office.
What is that man called?
Ma'am, may I say? Ma'am, postman.
Yes. Manya is right. That man is called postman. Who is that man who collects the letters and the cards from the post box? So the job of the postman is to collect the letters and the cards from the post box and then deliver to the.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Yes. So children, you know, sometimes we send heavy parcels and heavy letters also that are chargeable. For that, we have to, sometimes your mama, you have seen, they are posting Rakhis on in the Rakhi season, right? Yes or no? आपने कभी देखा है मम्मी राखी पोस्ट करती हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Mama always send cards and keep.
So they put the Rakhi in the envelope?
Yes, ma'am.
And then they give it, write the address on it, and then they give it to the post office.
They write also name also.
Yes, but if there is a simple letter, that is not chargeable. But if there is the heavyweight products, if you are sending something in the envelope, that are chargeable. उसके ऊपर हमें कुछ पैसे देने होते हैं. और वो charges, how we pay? We pay according to the weight of the parcel. If your weight is 10 grams, if your weight is 20 grams, if your weight is 30 grams, we have to pay the charges on it, right? And charges depend on the post office to post office and city to city, because some post office in Rajasthan, they charge different prices. Some post offices here in Gujarat charges different prices. It depends on the post office to post office. And they have a set list that on that price, that gram of weight, we will charge this much amount. That gram of weight, we will charge this much amount. अब आपको, I will give you one situation to you which is given to your post book also. Before reaching to that question, you have to fill the beginning questions. Have you ever been a post office? If you have been, then write yes. If you have not ever been or not seen the post office, so write no. And I request you to please see the post office also.
Ma'am, I have seen it from far, but I haven't go in.
Okay.
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
my mom wants to talk to you later.
Okay. What? You can do later. So here you write yes or no according to the, if you have visited, write yes, not, so no. And please visit and see the post office, see the work of the post office, what the people are doing there. What different things do people do go there for? If you want to go to post office, for what all the things you go for posting the letter, you go to posting the passing parcel, and anything else. Okay, yes, if you want to transfer money to someone, that also can be done. If you want to open your account, post office account, that also you can open. Nowadays it's working as a bank also, right? How much does an inland letter cost and how much does a postcard cost? Postcard is the card. I think you children have done one activity in the EVS also. You have written something on that. It's a yellow color card.
Oh yes, ma'am, I have it. Can I show you?
Yeah, that is a postcard. And inland letter is a letter which is in the blue color. In both the cards, we write the letters, write the address of the sender and the when you are sending, right?
Ma'am, if we want to send a letter to any money to anyone, so we have to charge again.
Yeah, for that also you don't have to charge, you have to pay the charges to the post office. Some nominal charges post office will take. Suppose you want to transfer, you are living here in Surat, and you want to transfer some amount, or your parents wants to transfer some amount of 10,000 to someone, right, which is living in the Rajasthan or somewhere. They want to transfer some money there. So post office, what they do, they transfer the 10,000 in their accounts, but for that 10,000 rupees, they have to charge some nominal amount, that is called the service charges. Service charges means the services which are providing by the post office to you. उन्होंने आपकी इतनी हेल्प की, आपको वहां तक आपके पैसे पहुंचाए, तो उसके अगर आप खुद चल के जाते ट्रेन में बैठ के और प्लेन में बैठ के, विल बी वेरी कॉस्टली, राइट? वहां पैसे देने के लिए जाते, तो बैंक ने और पोस्ट ऑफिस ने, दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू दीज सर्विसेज, and for that services they are charging some nominal amount, 50 rupees or 100 rupees or whatever the charges set by the bank or the post office, वो charges आपसे cut होते हैं. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes it happens, sometimes not happen also, depend on the condition, what the condition set by the post office or the bank. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And this they are charging because of they are providing you the services. Clear? Yes, Dhwani also showing us the postcard. You can all pin Dhwani, and see the postcard, yellow color postcard. It's okay, but you have seen, no? You have done the activity here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
An envelope also, I request you to tell your parents to show you the, if I will get a chance, I will also show you online. Inland letter is the blue color inland letter is coming, the thin paper with the blue color. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have so many. My dada have so many.
That is different envelope. Okay, that is not envelope, that is the fancy envelopes. That is not envelopes related with the post office. Post office envelopes, post office stamp also should be there. Yes, stamp lagi bhi hogi, then only it is the post office envelope. Okay. Now there is a rates given. Look at the postal rates given in the chart. How much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Now, suppose you are sending a parcel which is of 50 grams weight. Letter weighing. This is a letter in that is of a weight 50 grams. Shh. Suppose this is a letter in my hand. In this envelope, I have put a weight which is of 50 grams. I want to send this parcel, but what are the charges I have to pay for it to the post office? It's according to the rates list which is given up. Kevan, few of the students I have observed, you're coming and going in the class. Please stable your network.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Check your network. Yes.
Oh, ma'am, there is a single postcard 0.50 paisa.
Yeah,
So
but
how-
nowadays it is 1.50 around.
But how we will pay 50 paisa? We don't have that coin.
If you don't have change, so you do what you do is, if you want to buy one, but they are charging 50 paisa. Suppose right now it is not 50 paisa, it is 1.50 paisa or around, the rates have increased. So 50 पैसा मीन्स तो फिर आपको दो लेने पड़ेंगे राउंड ऑफ में. Okay, then you
And
take
nowadays, if it is 150, so
and
we will.
sometimes what happens is nowadays 50 paisas are not working, 10 paisas are not working. Like, so what you do when you go outside and your bill is coming 3.10 paisa, what you will do? Nowadays most of the people are paying through cards. When you pay through cards,
Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are stuck. Now. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
sorry, am I audible now?
Yeah, ma'am.
So nowadays, if you have observed, if your bill is coming 3.10 or 3.20 or 3.30, most of the people are paying through the cards. And when you pay through the cards, card will deduct, the machine will deduct the exact amount, because when you are pressing the amount, exact amount will be deducted from your cards. जितना point में है तो point में ही कटेगा. Okay, they will not cut. If your Viva, can you please close? If your bill charges are 3.30, so when you punch your card, they will only write the amount 3.30, not 3.50 also, or not 4 also. Am I clear? That is the way nowadays the shopping is more easier when you are doing with the cards. Yes, because if you carry this much amount, there is like we think that we will lose the amount or miss the amount. Yes or no? When you pay with the cards, there is no such cases. Clear? Now come to the topic which we were discussing. Suppose the weight of this parcel which I am having, the weight is 50 grams and I want to post. So, but I have to pay how much amount to the post office for this 50-gram parcel? So I have to follow the list which is given. Up to 20 grams or less than 20 grams, I have to pay 5. Suppose my this parcel weight is 15 grams. So how much I have to pay?
Ma'am, 5 rupees.
5 rupees. Because it is given up to 20 or less than 20, you have to pay 5. It is compulsory. Even if your weight is 5 grams, then also you have to pay.
5 rupees.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, in letter weighing, if our letter is of, like for example, in it there is Rakhi and it is of 40 grams, so we have to pay additional
40 grams पे मैं आगे आऊंगी. I will come on the next step on the 40 grams. Right now, I am discussing the grams which are less than 20. Okay. Then I will come on the more than 20 to explain you in the detail. If my parcel weight is less than 20, if it is 5 grams, if it is 10 grams, so how much I have to pay? I have to pay
5
rupees.
5 rupees.
5.
Okay. And if it is 18 grams, how much I have to pay?
5 rupees.
If it is 5 grams, how much I have to pay?
5 rupees. 5 rupees.
More than 20 grams, we will discuss tomorrow in the online class. Till that, think about it, how we can go about this. And have a nice day. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.